Yeah, Mom, the meeting went super long and I'm super hungry. Like breakfast. Gotta grab something for lunch. Have to go to the vending machine. See, Braden for food? You have to be kidding me. Gotta go, Mom.
I'm so glad I came up with this idea. I have all the snacks for all my people. Best idea I've ever had.
Braden, are you kidding me? We just went over inclusivity. We had that training last week.
I know, but I want my team to have all of the resources. That way they can excel.
So Braden, I thought now that we've had some time to calm down, we could talk rationally about what just happened. So 2 hours ago, I went up to the vending machine and I saw this sign, see Braden for food. And it was really disappointing because I was super hungry. My last meeting ran long, I was feeling fatigued, and not to mention, I really wanted to provide some snacks for my team.
I can understand that, but my team does amazingly better. I mean, when I provide these things for them, the customer service metrics are a lot higher, our costs are a lot lower. So my team does a lot better when I provide these things for them.
But don't you want my team to feel like they belong and they're included in this community as well?
Your team is not my problem.